The Adani Group controversy, allegations, investigations, and political support. The Adani Group, one of India's largest conglomerates, has faced significant allegations of financial malpractice, including stock price manipulation, use of offshore tax havens, and bribery. These issues have brought both domestic and international scrutiny, significantly impacting its reputation and market value. Hindenburg allegations and findings. In January 2023, Hindenburg Research published a report accusing the Adani Group of brazen stock manipulation, accounting fraud, and reliance on offshore tax havens. The report alleged that shell companies linked to the Adani family in Mauritius and other tax havens were used to artificially inflate stock prices and conceal debt. Following these revelations, Adani's stock prices plummeted, wiping out billions in market value and raising questions about the conglomerate's practices. US indictment and legal actions. In November 2024, a New York federal court issued arrest warrants against Gautam Adani and his nephew in connection to a $250 million bribery case. The case alleges that the Adani Group paid bribes to secure contracts in India's solar energy sector, potentially generating $2 billion in profits. The US Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has also charged the Adani Group with misleading investors regarding anti-corruption measures. India's response and political dynamics. Despite the international outcry, the Indian government and regulatory authorities have been perceived as supportive of the Adani Group. India's Supreme Court declined calls for independent investigations beyond those conducted by the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. Critics allege that SEBI's probe lacked depth due to conflicts of interest and political influence. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) have been closely linked to Gautam Adani. The opposition has accused the government of favoring the Adani Group in awarding major contracts, both domestically and internationally. This relationship has sparked debates about crony capitalism and the influence of large businesses in Indian politics. Why support continues? The Indian government's support for Adani likely stems from the strategic importance of his companies in infrastructure and energy, sectors critical to India's growth ambitions. Additionally, Adani's ventures align with flagship initiatives like renewable energy development. Critics, however, argue that such favoritism undermines regulatory integrity and investor confidence. The Adani Group controversy highlights the challenges of balancing corporate growth with accountability. While legal battles in the US unfold, India's regulatory and political responses will shape the long-term implications of these allegations on its economic and political landscape. The episode underscores the importance of transparent corporate governance and independent regulatory oversight.